It's really loud here. And there's Barbies. The girls did not do a very good job. All right, here we go. Day 2 in the dumpster. This is gonna be the babies area. Good morning, friends. In a matter of minutes, my house is gonna be completely torn up. And I thought, I'm like out of breath from walking up and down the stairs. And I thought I might as well film this because it's interesting and it's gonna be definitely a transformation for sure. All the carpet in my house is gonna be completely ripped out all the way down the stairs, all the way there. Oh, I'm so out of breath. The hallway and the bedroom is gonna be completely ripped out all the way here. I think we're gonna keep the closet as is. All the kids' bedrooms as well are gonna be all gutted out. And it just got real because the dumpster just got dropped off in the driveway and I'm like, oh my gosh, I better get going. I wanted the kids to pick up as much as they could. They did their best, you know how kids are. And I didn't have time to hold them accountable today. So I need to hurry. I have about 30 minutes until the crew gets here and get like everything off the floor so that they can move the furniture. I'm just like putting like toys on the bed and things and stuffing things in drawers. I'll organize it later. We're gonna be switching out a lot of furniture for the kids anyways and doing a makeover for Avea and Gigi's room shortly after this project is completed. This area too, this loft, with this fake wood dark floor, this is gonna be replaced as well. We're doing like a light gray color. I'm really excited to have had everything, you know, the same and not so many different floorings. Also, we're doing this because we really try to be as clean as possible, and we do have a cat and we do have a dog and things happen, mistakes happen. We do have 5 kids, so, you know, things are gonna get tracked in, markers are gonna be on the carpet, and we're just sick and tired of cleaning it, honestly. I am currently almost 21 weeks pregnant, and my husband doesn't want the baby crawling around on this carpet that we've had for a while. Also, the people before us had this carpet and they had a dog as well. We did deep clean it. I just don't think it's enough. So we've been saving for a while and it is finally time to pull the plug, take the plunge and get it done. I'm almost done in here. I just have a few more things to pick up and then I don't know what they're gonna do with this. Maybe they'll just move it in the hallway until they're done with this room. There's like a snake and there's Barbies. The girls did not do a very good job. One room at a time, it's very overwhelming. We're gonna get it done. So welcome to my day of construction, transformation. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot. It's really loud here and it's happening fast. They've only been here for an hour and a half and the entire upstairs is completely gutted. Why am I so attached to the carpet? Okay, on to better things. Oh my goodness, it's happening so fast. Look at Ace's room, it looks so clear. I'm actually really excited because this gives me a chance to like reorganize everything how I want it. I don't know, I think we're gonna put some wallpaper in here. Pictures of the kids that I wanted to do right here. I have some cute pictures of the kids together. And, oh, Lily and Tolly's room. I am so excited. I'm relieved that they haven't started laying it yet because I didn't get a chance to talk to them about how I want it to be laid. So, we're gonna figure that out. If we're gonna do like long ways here, that would mean that'll be fine for in here, but it's gonna be long ways, I think. But then what here? I mean, do I have them start going long this way? I don't know. We gotta figure that out, but making headway. Let me see what it looks like in here. This is gonna be the babies area. It's actually really big. Okay, this is really exciting. All right, here we go, day 2, and the dumpster is pretty full. Oh, I could definitely use that pallet for something. But it's full and we still got more to do. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the construction zone. I just changed my sweatshirt. It's inevitable. It's construction day 2 and the house is a wreck, but it's okay. So I wanted to show you the flooring that we got. It's called white oak and it's like a very, very light gray. And I think it will look really well as a transition from the gray tile downstairs. I don't know if I told you, but we're gonna be completely redoing these stairs because we're putting vinyl plank, AKA like hardwood look. We're not able to do the rounded look anymore more, which I'm kind of excited about because I feel like the rounded look was exciting before and now I feel like it's dated. So we're gonna be doing like a straight edge. So there will be sharp corners. So we got to think about that with the kids and the baby. But they usually sit here. Oh, that's weird. They usually sit here and like put their shoes on in the morning, but instead of doing that, I'm trying to discourage them from doing that with the new ones so we can avoid accidents. And I'm gonna put like a little bench here. Honestly, can't wait till all this is done so I can do like a massive cleaning video because it's trashed because we've just been stubbing things and shoving things in closets in the laundry room and, you know, in the kids' bathrooms. It's trash, and I'm gonna do a complete reorganization of the kids' closets in the loft playroom area and my office. It's gonna be a big extravaganza, that's for sure. So yeah, we still got lots of stuff to do. It is the calm before the storm. They're about to arrive. I'm going to try to just clean up. The kids have been sleeping on the couch because their rooms are like, you know, a disaster. I'm gonna try to get some healthy foods in me. Take my prenatal. Okay, look at the stairs. Oh my goodness. Good morning, everyone. Today is the day. We are completely done and we have moved the furniture back. It looks amazing. I think this is an amazing investment. I'm so glad that we waited and saved to get this done because it smells so much fresher and cleaner in here and brighter and bigger. It smells so good without that stuffy carpet in here, and it really, really looks good as well. We still have to do some touch-up paint around the baseboards and things, but let me show you. Here's what the floor looks like. It's gorgeous and it's all the same. It looks so good. We have big plans for this room, but one thing at a time. We are going to do like a cool wall here. Why is it so, there you go. Cool wall here of just like a play area. I'm gonna order a little black futon for here. This is the kids' homework station, which I will kind of tell you guys in another video how I created this station. We're gonna put some pictures of the kids' faces, some black and whites here. We're gonna have some nice plants to add a pop of greenery. I don't know why it's so dark. And then we're gonna do some type of a built-in system here, but that's gonna take a long time. That is not on the priority list. This rug, I get a lot of questions about it. This is a ruggable rug. It is gorgeous. It's one of those rugs that you can wash and you literally just unpeel it from the backing, and it's thin, but it's sturdy and soft, and you just throw it in the washer. And I will never buy another big rug ever again besides Ruggables, because it is absolutely amazing. If you guys want to check out all the amazing designs that they have, I will put a link below. I love Ruggable, like seriously. And I'll show you in the little girl's room. I have a rug there and I have 2 downstairs. I love this brand. I just love it. Anyways, my office area is a mess. Don't mind that. But look how good it looks. These are the stairs. My husband temporarily put these strips here. They're no slip strips, and they have a neon little flashy, not flashy, it's just a tape. They have a neon thing that glows in the dark until we get our lights installed underneath the stairs, because at nighttime he slipped and I was like, oh no, that's not gonna work. But this, of course, there's mom life, there's socks on the stairs, but this is the shape of the stairs. I think it turned out really, really nice. It looks so good and more modern this way. We opted to get white underneath and they painted that. It's a nice contrast instead of all the same color. I really like that we did that. Otherwise, I feel like it's just too much gray because the floors down here are gray. But let's go back upstairs so I can show you what the other rooms look like. Now I'm super excited to do the babies area, the in-suite nursery for the babies area, because it is now nice and clean. Nice clean slate, so we cannot wait to do this in another video. You guys have to stick around and subscribe and get notifications if you want to see how we do our baby's nursery area right here. But it looks good, and look how bright and big it makes this room look. Like, it did not look this big before. It's gorgeous. So I opted to do this way, long ways, and you can't even tell, like you can't even tell. It looks beautiful. And the hallway is gorgeous. This is my son's room, so we are going to be completely redoing this room. I ordered some wallpaper from here and a name sign and some things that this is gonna go because our cat doesn't really use it anymore. But it looks really, really good in here. I can't wait to make over that room. The little girl's room we already made over and just did a simple rainbow. Got lots of, I did go through the closet, so I'll have another video of organization of how I organize my kids' closets. These are all out of season and Goodwill type stuff, but that's definitely for another video. And of course, there's always something on the floor. So this is the other ruggable rug I was talking about. It's a rainbow ombre rug. It's so cute and just adds some like beautiful color to the room. And we did order a wallpaper for this to add a pop of color, but got the little reading area. This will definitely be a fun makeover once I completely change the walls, but everything else will stay the same. Plainest room in the house. My older daughters, who are 9 and 10 years old, they are getting a complete makeover. All the items that I ordered is arriving tomorrow. This bed is gonna go on the other side of the wall, and we're gonna make a complete makeover on the wall. They're getting a new chandelier, a new little desk area, and some beautiful pictures that I ordered for this area. But the floors look amazing, and I really wanted to get that done before I dived into the makeover of this room. Overall, I'm so completely happy and thrilled with how gorgeous this space came out. It looks beautiful, and now I'm just really motivated to get the rest of the things done and the house that we've been wanting to do. We've been in this house for 2 years, and we've slowly been doing things little by little by little, but I really want to get the girls' makeover room done. We were just waiting on the flooring to be done so that we can get it done. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed following along on this construction project. There'll be many more projects and many room makeovers and organization of the kids' closets, things like that. If you like that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. We do have a baby coming. It's like more comfortable for me to put my leg up like this. We do have a baby coming, so the nursery is going to be right after the big girl's room, which is gonna be a jungle room. I'm so excited about it. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.